Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay. After Alipay video verification is done, how to know if your Alipay account is ready to receive payment. I'm going to show you right here in this video. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here and have a case study, which I'm going to show you right here. So take a look at this particular person right here. Someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here, and this is their message right here. Good evening. And this is their message. And this is their message right here. I have downloaded, installed, and verified everything, but I don't know how to fund it. Please help me out. I said, good evening. You can fund your Alipay account via money exchanger. Do you have any place or trusted site? I said, I can fund your account anytime you are ready. Let me know. So this is one of the things I do also. If you want me to fund your Alipay account, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video, whether WeChat account you want to fund or your Alipay account. So you say, okay, please. And this is the screenshot they sent to me right here. And this is a video verification sections right here. Please ensure that network conditions are good and complete the verification according to the prompt. So this is what you get for video verification in Alipay. So after you are done with the video verification, then you need to go and check your service notification in Alipay, just like what you see right here. So when you click on service notification and you have something like this, you can see under services right here, and you have something like this. It simply means that your account is fully ready. You can see right here, Alipay restriction remover right here, remover application. Now please click the button below, upload the voucher and submit the requirement document as per page. Then Alipay will strictly keep your submitted information continual. Okay, you can see appeal successful notifications right here. Okay, so now you can simply, so you can see right here from service sections right here, Alipay Security Center, appeal successful notification. There is nothing more else. It simply means that the account is working fine and you can start receiving and sending out payment in that Alipay account. It's that simple. So you can see my response right here. So I want to know before I could fund it. Please, I'm through with the verification. I want to know if so this is the message follow. Good evening, sir. Please, I'm through with the verification. I want to know before I fund it. So I say, what do you need to know? So this is the voice note right here. I'm going to go ahead and play it.
I tried doing my verification, but then the first image I sent, the second one was saying that Alipay restriction removal application. So I hit on the altar down there, and the second image appeared. And it's still running. It has been running since morning, and it's not doing. So I want to ask if I am done with the verification with Alipay. I want to know if I am done, if the account is active before I deposit before I yes, so I want to know if my it is ready to receive money, and if there is no restriction.
Okay, so this is my response right there. They already told you from the screenshot that your account is fine. You say, okay, thank you. It simply means that they can start receiving and sending payment into the account. It's that simple. So for every confirmation, always check your Alipay payment service sections right here. It is in your Alipay account from the message box on your Alipay account. You can easily find service sections beside the payment options in your Alipay notification. It's that simple. So this is how to know if your account is ready for payment after a video verification on your Alipay account. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Alipay app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.